Good morning, everyone. It is morning. I'm in my pitch black garage and we're doing another lighting video on the Speed because I gotta take care of these interior lights. I want some LEDs and I do this to pretty much, oh, I guess you guys still need to see me. I do this to pretty much every car I own. I don't think there's a car I haven't put LEDs in on the interior. It's just like, that's the first thing that I ever did that got me into cars was putting LEDs in, so. Yeah, so we're gonna do that today, and I'm not sure what else we're gonna do, but anyway, let's go to the shop. Oh, it definitely 100% needs to be louder. Downpipe video. Hopefully soon. It's so cold out and I don't have room in the garage. I'm gonna have to do it at my house and I don't have tools, so we'll figure that one out, but it needs to go down soon because this thing needs to be a little louder. I don't know if I have the lights to change these, or the bulbs. And sorry, they're doing construction now right behind my little warehouse, shop, office, and every day now for who knows how long, so that's gonna be annoying. I'll probably go wash this thing off today too if it gets warm enough. Oh! Breathtaking. Okay, here's some of the lights. I need to go find other ones because I'm sure these ones will probably not work or something dumb. Got my old lighting box from the 335, so have plenty of interesting lights in here, so these should work hopefully. I don't know if the Speed takes any of this style. Looks like I only have one of those. Oh, we got the little panels. Definitely gonna put those in. What else? Plastic pry tool, definitely important. And oh, little baby ones. Okay, cool. I definitely highly recommend always having some of these lights because you honestly never know when you'll need them, and you can use these for, like, if a license plate light bulb goes out, you can use them for that, and they're just cheap, so I always have extras for whatever car I get, and or if people want them in their car, I'll usually do them for them. Because I think all these are probably under 15 bucks for all of these, which is crazy. So anyway, let's go outside and let's start figuring out how to rip this interior apart. It's kind of cold. I know I say that in every video, but I'm not kidding. I'm just not a cold guy. I like the warmth. So first things first is I gotta figure out how to take this off or get behind it or whatever. And then those will be the first ones. Let's see. I don't know if I have bulbs small enough for these. I'll look. We'll pop these out and see. Highly doubt I do, but we'll see. And then back here, gotta do these ones, and then of course the door ones. So first things first, let's start off with this one. Had to get a screwdriver. I can't get this little plastic, can't get this off, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these two Phillips heads off, and then this thing should just kind of drop down and be able to get the lights out from behind. Oh my, those were in there tight. No. First bolt of the day drops down in the side of the seat. Well, after many minutes of prying, I finally got it out, and that screw is literally gone, so I'm just gonna have to roll one screw unless I can go inside and find one, but horrible start to the day. So anyway, it's really easy now. Just twist these little guys right here. This camera never ever focuses. Bam, bulb comes out, and then you replace it with whatever one is most fitting. So I'll probably do, looks like these ones, which are the same ones I used for the license plate and the side markers. And you can compare size wise, pretty similar. And then put them in, obviously, test them, make sure they work, and move on from there. So I'm gonna get these popped in, make sure they work, and we'll move on to the next ones. Look at that, first one's working. Looks sick. I'm definitely gonna wait till nighttime though to show you guys how they look, because obviously in the daytime it's not gonna do any justice, but it looks good. Both of those are good, so I'm gonna put this back together, and we got some cool lights now. Cool, got these ones in. Oh, they look sick. And you guys should totally do You guys should totally do this to your cars, because at night, it's worth it, trust me. Anyway, I'm gonna pop these off, see if I have these bulbs. If I don't, I'm not gonna do them. If I do, I'll do them. Ugh. Okay, so we're in the back now, and for these ones, I forget how you take this off. I believe it's just held in by some clips. I'm gonna do a good old yank on her and try and get her out real quick. Camera is fully balanced on the headrest. It's for sure gonna fall. That's sketch. There we go. So same thing with the front. You just gotta pull these little bulbs out, replace them with your new ones. Test to make sure they work. Also, I'm gonna be doing a new headliner soon, so don't worry. It's gonna be a sick one too. But anyway, grab your bulbs. A little bag of bulbs. And stick them in. Okay, check it out. Boom, boom, perfect, perfect. Snap this thing back in. Good to go. Those are done. They look sick. And it's daytime, so keep that in mind. At nighttime, they're gonna be dope, so I will for sure be showing you tonight. Trains. Not gonna lie, these back seats are comfy. Heck of a view too. Look at that. Speed looks good. I could chill back here, have someone chauffeur me around. It'd be dope. All right, let's do these door ones now. Sorry for all this background noise, but these should just pop off and I'll pop new ones in. I'm not gonna show these because I don't want you guys to have to listen to all this construction. So I'll just show you the final product. Literally probably 30 seconds, popped it off, put the new one back in, and I put the biggest one I possibly had in there. Look at this thing. Double stacked. Oh no. No. This isn't the biggest one. Hold on. This is the biggest one I put in there. Triple stack. So like when this door is open at night, it should be stupid bright. But I guess we can't find out until it's night out. So I'm gonna do this other side and then we're pretty much done. Maybe I'll do the glove box and trunk, not sure yet. We'll take a peek at those, but oh, it's cold. Turns out glove box does not have a light. Kind of weird, most cars I've owned have glove box lights. So I guess that's it for the interior. I'm not even gonna do the trunk, honestly, just whatever, screw it. We gotta wait for it to get nighttime. And it's only 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's gonna be a while. Still waiting for it to get dark out. And I figured I'm gonna throw a cooking segment in. So I got this little mini griddle. Look how small this thing is. And because I normally eat out every day and I'm like kind of tired of it. So check this out. This little guy, gonna pop an egg in there. And then we're gonna chef it up, so hopefully this thing works. I'm gonna do a little review on it. Hopefully it does. Okay, first one's kind of a fail, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of messed it up a little bit. Still gonna eat it, but not a good start. Not a good start. You kidding me? I think I'm doing something wrong. I didn't even touch this one and it already broke. Okay, that was the first episode of Cooking with Austin. Let me know what you guys think. I did it as a joke, but look at that. Looks pretty fire, right? Not bad, not bad. If you guys want to see more of these episodes, let me know. I probably won't do them unless someone's like, oh, I'll do another one. But anyway, I'm gonna eat and then I need to go. They still haven't delivered those packages, so I don't know if they're gonna come today or not. Still waiting for it to get dark out, so I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I'm not sure. It's pitch black out now. I just spent the past like 3 hours taking the letters off this van because we're gonna sell it. But Speed's chilling over there, so I'm going to go test out those LEDs here in a few minutes. Look at that, nice and clean. It was really, really bad before. There was like 3 seats and it's banging now. Big Red's getting put to full use. Okay, finally leaving after all that. Stupid cold now. And here we go. Let's get the first impressions of the lights. Hold on. Let's take a minute here. Speed's all frosted up. Oh my, it looks sick. That might be the thumbnail, to be honest. Actually, that's gonna be the thumbnail. Here we go. Oh, I already see the door ones. Look at that. Boom. Wait, what? The front ones don't light up. They work? Holy cow, those are bright. What's up, guys? I can now vlog in the car. That's sick. So, simple mod, but everyone should do it to any car you own. Look at the ground, well lit over there. Whole car's lit. That's sick. I'm pumped. I don't know, I just get pumped over small things like that. Geez, even having these back ones on, there's still so much lighting, but I'm hyped. Let's get a cold start of this beast, because it's been sitting for hours now. Get the camera all set up with the sick taillights on. Yeah. I feel like I do a cold start in almost every video, but I'm sorry. I know people love to hear it. This needs to be louder though. This is too quiet. Look at those rear LEDs too. They look sick. I'm super pumped. So anyway, it is 28 degrees. I'm freezing. I'm gonna crank the heat in this thing and drive home. Yeah, it's cold. Okay, so I absolutely love the Tow-Mates, but I do have one complaint, and that is how freaking cold these things get. In the summertime, they're nice and warm, but holy cow, in the winter, like, it's colder than it is outside, 100%. My right hand is numb, I'm not even kidding, just from holding this thing. Tow-Mate, I love you, but I might switch you out for this winter. I'm not doing that again one-handed. All right, well, that's gonna be this video. Sorry, it's another simple install. I'm just trying to get all these tiny little installs out of the way. And it's cold out and I'm not ready for these big ones because I don't have room in my garage, to be honest. So I'm gonna work on those coming soon, figure out how I can make more garage space or if I can get tools at my house where I currently am. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Follow me on Instagram. Peace out.